In Dallas, Georgia. Listen, I have on my basketball clothes because I was at a basketball game. My son had a game this morning, have another one this afternoon. But the on-site agent, they call me, they say, D-Lowe, we have one to blow out. A 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath in Dallas, Georgia with tons of incentives. But you got to give me a call so you can check it out. Let's look at the master. I mean, the master is huge. Fireplace. I mean, it's huge, but I'm going to let you see it for yourself. But the reason I came out here for you guys is the incentives. The incentives are huge. I mean, extra incentives. You know, you always have incentives, but it's extra, extra, extra on this property. This property is running at $249.9, but call me now for the extra incentives. Let's go up, because like I told you, I got to get to my son's next AAU game. So we're going to run through this property, literally. You have a nice open kitchen. You got a family room with a fireplace. And then, like I said, we have 4.5 bedrooms here. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. I'm going to let you see for yourself. Nice elbow room. Private lake behind you. It wouldn't be your lake, it's private, but you'll be able to take a peek here and there when the trees are, you know, not as bloomed as they are. Look at this, pan ceiling, huge master bedroom, huge. You can put your bed on 2 or 3 walls in here. Sometimes you're just limited with your bed. Here's a sitting area with the fireplace, nice and cozy. Can't beat it. 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, under $250,000. We out here in Dallas, Georgia. Who needs a home? It's move-in ready right now. Who needs to close in the next 30 days? New construction. We can have you close by mid-June 2018. Call me now, 770-885-3790. Call me now. As you see, I'm in a rush. I got to get back to the game. Bye. Call me now, 770-885-3790. See ya.